Solve this system of equations using the substitution method. With the substitution method of solving a system of equations, you solve for one of the variables in one of the equations and substitute that variable into the second equation. When using this method, start by identifying the expressions with a coefficient of 1. In this case, none of the coefficients are 1. In such a case, look for coefficients that divide out easily. Here, we see that these coefficients and this number are multiples of 3. So the easiest thing to do is to solve for x. So we get 3x equals 15, and we subtract 9y from both sides, so minus 9y. And then divide both sides by 3 to get x equals 5 minus 3y. So use this expression for x and substitute it into this equation to solve for y. So we get negative 5 times 5 minus 3y plus 4y equals 13. Distributing the negative 5, we get negative 25 plus 15y plus 4y equals 13. Combining the y terms, we get 19y minus 25 equals 13. We add 25 to both sides of the equation and we get 19y equals 38. Dividing both sides by 19, we get y equals 2. We take this value of y equals 2 and plug it into one of the equations to solve for x. So we get 3x plus 9 times 2 equals 15. 3x plus 18 equals 15. We subtract 18 from both sides of the equation to get 3x equals negative 3. We divide both sides by 3 to get x equals negative 1. So the solution to this system is y equals 2 and x equals negative 1.